I'm gonna put the link down below for this socket set. You need this for all these screws, and for all the screws you'll be taking off. So we'll start by taking off these 4 clips, then these bolts, then these 2, those 2, do the bottom, 3 clips, 1, 2, 3, 1 bolt there, here. Do the same thing on the other side, then take the bumper out, and we could go into the next step.
Drinking that healing, sinking in this feeling. Leave me the time, giving me the signs of love. You are clear, but you can only be in the deep.
So now we have the front bumper out. The bolts I took off are all 8 millimeters, apart from one. The ones at the bottom are 11 millimeters, so just keeping that in mind. And I mean, the socket set has everything, so again, check the link in the description for where you can get this socket set. You can get it at a good price, so check it out.